Got one. That guy got one. Yeah. All right, square bill. It's a small guy though. Oh, it's a smallie. He's teeny. Today, tiny little smallmouth. Cool looking red eyes. Let's get him back. That's a fish. Oh. Yep. Got it. Bro, and the hook like fell out of its mouth. I tried calling you and it just went straight to voicemail. This is a pretty largemouth. Beautiful fish. Fish on. Yep. Stay on. Oh, it's fighting. Oh, it's a good fish. Oh, it's a good one. That's a good one. Got one. That's a good fish. That's a good fish right there. This is what we came looking for. Nice largemouth out of Berryessa. Caught in a drop shot. Thanks for the fight, big girl. Oh, stripping line. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Holy. Bro, I think that's a spot. I don't know what. Oh, yeah.
I have a cooler and a Ziploc bag.
Yo, I just caught a salmon.
Did you just cast it in back for it?
I casted it right in between the island and the bank where that little sandbar is. And I was just letting it sit. And then freaking, I'm just reeling it super slow. And then I feel like just super hard, like a shit ton of bumps. And I was like, oh my God. So I was like, I don't have time to turn my camera on. And then I set the hook. And then you saw how hard it was fighting. I was just like, cause I looked at it and I was like, that's not that big. Like I was like, if that's a spot, it's like 2 pounds maybe. And you're good. And I was like, dude, this thing's fighting like crazy. And I was like,
got close to the boat and just peeled line off.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. I was like, whoa. It's like a trout mouth.
Wow. Oh yeah, the eyes are a little greeny. Nice.
Is he good? Probably not. Motherfuckers fight hard, bro. That was fun. I hooked into it and it was like, and I was like, okay, he's fighting. I was like, oh, he's pulling hard because I couldn't see what it was at first. And then as it got closer, I saw the silver and I saw how bright it was and I was like, what? Like, I couldn't tell what it was. I thought the silver was like spots. Like I saw the dark back and I was like, oh, maybe it's a spot. And then, and I was like, oh shit. Yep, got one. Smallie. Smallie. Oh, it came off. Oh, no. I tried boat flipping with this. Oh, stupid. All right, so we got a very steep vertical rock wall, goes down a little ways. I think drop shot, which has been getting it done today, is the move here. So let's find out. Let's see what's over here. That's fish. That's fish. Yep. Got one. Got him. Nice. Nice fish. Thanks for biting, buddy. Bass number 5. Got him. Learned your lesson, Justin. Net the little guy. Bass number 6. Thanks for the fight, bud. Here, if you want a bee, put this bee in his mouth. Give him a nice snack. Ugh, maybe not. What's up, y'all? Check that out. Nice smallmouth bass. Nice long, healthy fish. Caught on my go-to jerkbait right now. 6 cents, provoke. This is the pro shad. Jerkbait's been the juice today. Beautiful fish. Check out that. Smashed it. Let's go, guys. Big, beautiful smallmouth bass. Nice bronze back. Let's get her back in the water. Tiger just got another smallie. And I am trying to see if I can get us to double up right now. Huh?
112.
Nice. Yeah, they're all like just over a pound. Beautiful fish though. Nice catch.
That was dope. I did a slow-mo reason.
Yeah.
And the fish decided to just like jump up and splash me.
And that was in slow-mo?
Yeah. Even though they're tiny, they bite. And my GoPro died on time.
Is that the last battery?
Yeah.
Ah, dude, I'm on my last battery right now.
I can finally take this out.
Epic day, bro. And we ain't done yet. Best believe. Got one. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, largemouth. Here we go. Yes, sir. Yep, there we go. Yes, sir. Oh, yep. Oh, it's a fighter. Oh, yep, there we go. Got him. Oh, just fucking flip him. There we go. Fucker, stick in there. And that's number 14. Oh, nuts. Ready for this? Oh, let's get it. We won't. Oh, I got one. I didn't even pop it at all. You just hit it. I don't know. Oh, did you hear the violin playing? Ning, 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 ning. Let's go. Another one. Ooh, that's a nice smallie. There's a smallmouth flopping on my deck. Get out here. These are so cool looking. They're so mean though. You try to grab them with your thumb and he bites you. Goom. Ow, you little Dude, it's like a dog, dude. You put your thumb near his mouth and he goes, you try to grab him and he goes, yum. All right, it's 6:45. Been on the water for about 12 hours. It's been unreal bite today. Let's see if we can't get a couple more before we go in. How big is it?
Biggest smallmouth
Ever?
ever. That's a PB.
Is that a smallie?
Yeah.
That a boy.